Okay, so we've published some pages, and there's two more steps now to get the structure right. I've just switched themes just to make this clearer so you can see what's going on here. You'll see when you publish a page, all WordPress does is it automatically adds that to your menus up here. So this is what we're calling your menus. So the first problem we've got is these are in a funny order. So typically you'd want your contact us at the end here. You've also got a sample page in here, and you've got two home pages. So that's the first thing we need to fix. The second thing we need to fix is it's a blog at the moment. So can you see it's just showing this post "Hello World" on your front page? Let me just show you that. If I had another post here, and publish that, let's put some gibberish in and publish that, and now go back to my website, you'll see that that post comes in on the front page, which we don't want. We've created a page called home page, which should be the first page anyone sees when they come here. So we're going to fix those two things up. The first is these menus. So to do that, if you hover over your site title, click on menus in the drop down, you'll come here. Now there's a few steps to get this to work. Step one is to give your menu a name. So I'm going to call it menu, and then click either of these create menu buttons over on the right. Okay, step two is you need to add your menu items to that menu because at the moment it's empty. And over here, here's your pages. So what you can do is just tick the pages you want. You can click this add to menu button and they'll fly across to the right and they'll become your menu items. Once they're here, top to bottom is left to right. So to reorder them, you just drag them up and down like so. Be careful that doesn't happen. That's how you do drop down menus. So we just want these all on the same line here. And down here at menu settings, this is the third step. You just need to tell these menus where you want them to go within this specific theme. So I'm going to say these are the primary menu. To reorder your menu, to rename your menu items, see this one's called home page. I'm just going to rename it as home. You can just click on the little arrow on the far right of each menu item. And then just save your menu, go back to your site, and you'll see now you've got the order of the menus that you want. However, it's still a blog, so we need to change that. So to do that, you go back to your dashboard and you need to go to settings and reading. So this is a really key part of WordPress. You'll see currently it's set that your front page displays your latest posts, which we don't want. We don't want it to be a blog. We want it to be a static page. As soon as you select this option, now you can choose your front page. That's our home page, our page called home page. And then underneath you can select your post page, which is our page called blog. So what you're doing here in effect is building a website with an integrated blog. Just save your changes, go back to visit your site. Here's our home page, which is now our home page. If you click on your blog, you'll see your posts are now automatically coming into your blog. So now we're ready to start looking at widgets, but that's how you've set the structure now of your site.